Minista Muviani wa Useseei wa Nthini Kipchumba Murkomen Niwaweta Kana Muvia wa Volisi Niuwendeesye Iseso ya Kumavundisya Maovisa ma Volisi Nzia Syi Mwanya Sya Kuvoovya Ithokoo Mbumbanoni sya Kiuteti Murkomen Avikite Mbee wa Mbunge ya Senate Kusungia Mokulyo Yiulu wa Muuo wa Nthi ya Niwaweta ateti kutwaisya uteti wa Muuo aiweta kiene kusiya siko sya Nthi kwa semathayu kana kuumia mwaka nukutwelesya.
Minista wa Muvia wa Useseei wa Nthini Kipchumba Murkomen Niwaweta kana vena vata ateti kukuna siasa siena Muuo tansemwe ya kolanga siko sya Ithokoo ila sithitu ikusi wa Nthini wa Mbumbanoni sya Kiuteti na muno sya ngaliko ya ulei.
Before elected leaders go for any function, they first have to spend money hiring either goons or gangs to accompany them to those functions. And Mr. Speaker, the solution is in this chamber. The solution is in this chamber and similar places where leaders are. If we can organize our politics differently, we will not need to deploy a single police officer. And even when we deploy just in case of a few criminals in there, they will not need to fire any single bullet.
Na Avikite Mbunge ya Senate Kusungia Mokulyo Yiulu Ithokoo Muviani usu wa Useseei wa Nthini Murkomen Niwaweta kana silikali nikulazimika kutumia vinya mwingi kumbucha mbulili la siulika Mbumbanoni sya Utetini.
Muggings that are happening here and robberies and people and gangs, people occupying people's property, threatening people, hurting men and women and children. We will need a more lethal force to deal with these gangs. Unfortunately, the environment we are operating in, there is no consensus.
Minista huu Niwaweta kana silikali nikwithiwinenga Maovisa ma Volisi Maovundisya angimbe yange Yiulu ondu mailite kutungia Muuo ila kwetha na Ithokoo Mbumbanoni ino sya siasa.
We are undertaking a training for our police officers to be ready to manage crowds differently, and that training is ongoing now, and we are taking a number of police officers in different contingents so that we can deploy them ahead of the others when there is public functions.
Kavingani ka Murkomen Niwaweta kana silikali masembani makwikithya kana alama atiwe ni thayu kana kuumia mokoni ma Maovisa ma Volisi nimaivwa yumbula kana mena wikwatwe kwa nila athakiwe kotini kusiya muvango usu ni yuthela.
Victims of such situations where people were exercising their constitutional right and in the process they have lost their lives. And there was a cut period of 2017 to 2025 for the process that was injuncted by court. We hope that that process can quickly be sorted, the court, and a consent may be recorded in court to enable this administration to do something that is unprecedented.
Nilivyotia vilingi wa mavo kuma kaunti Nairobi nitoa mwaka mweu.